What is going on, everybody? Logan here for a new video, and yes, I am in a tennis court, but that is because I'm here in Houston and it decided that all these clouds wanted to move in. But today I'm going to be talking about the all-new Corvette that the mid-engine Corvette that they're going to be releasing on, they'll be announcing on July 18th. They'll show us what it looks like, so we're going to officially know what it looks like. But, I mean, kind of what I want to talk about today is, my opinions on it, because this thing is just getting trashed all over YouTube. I mean, even when I first saw some of the pictures, I mean, I'll even say, admittedly, yeah, it doesn't look exactly like, a classic Corvette. I mean, honestly, in my opinion, I believe that the C6 Corvette by far is the best looking Corvette that is out there. I mean, the ZR1, I mean, that thing just looks aggressive, and, I mean, that is a true Corvette. But even with this mid-engine, I mean, yeah, it's not going to look the same, it's not going to handle the same, but this is just a total upgrade, so I'm not really sure why it's getting so much hate. I mean, it's going to be a way better ratio as far as, 50-50 front back weight ratio, so I mean, it's going to perform far better. Now, there has been a picture leaked. We're not sure exactly what it is. It definitely resembles a Corvette. I mean, it does kind of resemble a Camaro as well, but I think it's going to be the Corvette. Most people think it's going to be the Corvette. I mean, honestly, the car that all these people are comparing it to is a Ferrari, which, how bad is that they're actually comparing it to a Ferrari? Because admittedly, we saw the one that was all in camouflage and stuff. Yes, it does resemble-ish a Ferrari. But honestly, how bad is that a Corvette is going to look like a supercar? I mean, personally, I don't think that's a big deal, and I can't wait to see what the official numbers are going to be. And yeah, I know I'm a huge Ford guy, huge Mustang guy, but at the end of the day, I am all about cars, and this is going to be the next kind of step forward for Corvettes. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's going to drive the price up just a little bit, but at the end of the day, like I said, this is going to perform far better than the C7, so I'm not sure exactly what all the hate is for. I mean, just because the looks. I mean, look at the Mustangs. Everyone hated the S550 when it was first announced, and I mean, as soon as it came out, people started doing little modifications. Even a stock S550 doesn't look terrible, so I'm not too sure. I mean, there are just die-hard Corvette people who are hating this car. And me, I mean, honestly, I think it looks kind of cool. It doesn't look like a classic Corvette, but it is its own car, and it's going to perform amazing. But I'm very curious to see what it's actually going to look like without all the camouflage on July 18th. So, I mean, let me know what y'all think. Is this thing ugly? Should they have, stuck with the front engine? Was it a bad decision to go mid-engine? I mean, me personally, I think they should have had two options, a front engine and a mid-engine. Now, yes, that would drive the price of production up, but having two options would be kind of cool. Like, if the mid-engine was the premium one, like the track car, that'd be really cool. But still, having that front engine is just a cool option for a lot of the purists out there. And honestly, this is kind of reminding me of everyone hating on the Shelby GT500 because it's not going to have a manual transmission. How it has, just the dual clutch transmission, which is faster. It's going to perform far better than a manual. It'll shift quicker. And I mean, that's what's going to allow this thing to perform that much better. Which at the end of the day, the Shelby GT500, it's a performance car. No one just gets these cars for everyday driving. If you're going to get a car for everyday driving and you want it to be a manual, get a Mustang GT, slap a supercharger on it, and there's a good chance that you'll actually have more horsepower than the GT500. I mean, you're probably not going to be as quick, but hey, you'll have more power and you'll have all the control you want right there in your manual gearbox. But at the end of the day, we're just going to have to wait and see. I mean, like I said, I'm excited for this. I can't wait to see what it officially looks like, the numbers it's going to put down. And I will be making a video about the GT500, all of the stats about it, how it has like 760 horsepower and the, 620 foot-pounds of torque. I've just been on a little bit of a break. I'm done now, though. I am going to be consistently making videos. It's just for, the last 3 years, I've been making videos pretty consistently. So, I mean, a little bit of a break is always needed, but, I mean, I'm definitely here to continuously make videos now. But that is it for this video. Let me know what y'all think about the mid-engine Corvette. Is this a good idea they went this direction? Just let me know down in the comments below. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.